Hello everyone, welcome to your Tahiti Dance Fitness class with me, Teacher Bea. Today we are going to dance on the song called Over the Rainbow, a classic. For those not subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button. Let's go, let's get dancing. So let's go, let's get started. Show me your hands. There you go. And let's do the hands motions. Hands to the chest. Ready, unfold to the right, gracefully. Switch to the left. From there, call one time to the right. Switch to the left. Yes. From there, I'm going to call around the mouth. Call to the right. Extend to the left. To the right. To the left. Good. Drop, raise your right hand up, shoulder. And we reverse. Go to the left, go to the right. Extend your hands. Left, right. Drop, raise your left hand and drop on the shoulder. Awesome. So let's repeat everything again. Let's go for the hands motions. Ready? And we go. Hands on the chest. And we go right side, left side, yes. Then call to the right, call to the left. Around the mouth, we are going to put the hands and extend to the right, left, right, left. Raise your right hand, drop to the shoulder. We switch side. Ready? Left, right, left, right. And we raise the left hand and drop on the shoulder. Awesome. So let's do the steps. Ready? And we are going to unfold right foot, left foot. Switch right foot, left foot. Great. From there, I call to the right. I step forward and push my right hip and I turn to the left. Switch side left, turning. Yes. Step call. To the front, move forward. Raise your right hand, turning. Great. And we switch side. Step to the left. And we step backwards. We step back. Raise your left hand, shoulder, turning. Very good. So let's repeat again. Ready? Unfold your right hand, right foot, left foot. Switch, left hand. And we go. Calling, step right front. And turn. Great. And we switch. Step left front and turn. Yes. Step front. Calling from the mouth. Yes. Raise your right hand, shoulder and turn. And we switch. Step left. Step right. Step left, go backwards. Left hand, turning. Very good. So let's carry on. From there, we are going to go over the rainbow. Draw the rainbows. Hands up, drop like a triangle to the hip level. Hands up, raise your hands up, dreaming to the right, dreaming to the left. Yes. From there, play the music and we sing. Ready? Raise your right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand. Good. Unfold front. There you go. So again, rainbow, rainbow. Raise your hands up, triangle, drop just before your hips. Good. Hands, shoulders up. And then dreaming. Play the music, right hand moving. Then we sing right, left. Unfold forward. Very good. Let's do the steps. So we go unfold to the right, lean to the left, right, drop, and then from there, roll your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can roll 8 times if you can. Right foot front, left foot front. Amaha. Right foot front. Play the music. Ready? Left foot front. Yes. Then we face forward. Twist your hips 2 times. So again, ready? And we go. Lean to the right. Lean to the left. Right foot front. Drop down. Very good. Face to the back from your right. Raise your hands up and roll your hips 4 times or 8 times. Good. Face forward. Right foot. Left foot. Very good. From there, play the music. Stream 2 times. Left foot. Left. And move the hand 1 more time. Good. Face to the front and twist varu right, left. Awesome. Let's get dancing. Unfold, 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 unfold. Step, turn, step, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Raise your hands, shoulder, turn. Switch, left, right, left, right. Raise your hands, shoulder, turn. Unfold, right side, left side. Step, drop. Roll your hips, big circle. Front, right, left foot. Music, singing, twist, rainbow, front, drop, birds, birds, think, twist your hips 4 times. Tamau. Move your hips. Turn. Hug and roll. Good. 1 more time.
Dreams really do come true.
Well done on today's dance class on Over the Rainbow. Tell me how it went for you and come and join me for more classes on the link below at TahitiDanceFitness.com. Big kisses your way and see you for our next class. Bye.